Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix Wi-Fi adapter disappeared on Windows PC? Many users have reported experiencing difficulties when trying to connect their personal computers to their Wi-Fi networks due to the network connection being unavailable. Although they were initially able to connect to the network without any problems, the connection became unavailable after some time. In some cases, users have reported that the Wi-Fi connection has completely disappeared, rendering it inaccessible. In this video, we have gathered several troubleshooting solutions that you can do to fix Wi-Fi adapter disappeared on your Windows PC. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, update Windows. An outdated Windows operating system is likely the cause for this issue to occur. Updating Windows is one of the first solutions that many users have reported to have resolved this issue. Make sure Windows is up to date. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type MS Settings and press Enter. Click Update and Security. Then click Windows Update at left pane, then click Check for Updates at right pane. Windows will now check for available updates. If an update is available, click Download and Install. Once updates have been downloaded, next, restart your computer. Then check if Wi-Fi adapter is now visible on your computer. Second solution, run Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Running the Network Adapter Troubleshooter is another solution that has worked for some users. This may be because the issue is a bug occurring within Windows 10, which the troubleshooting process can fix. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type MS Settings and press Enter. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot at left pane. Click Additional Troubleshooters at right pane. Then, click Network Adapter under Find and Fix Other Problems. Then click Run the Troubleshooter. Select Wi-Fi to diagnose, then click Next. Windows will now detect problems. After troubleshooting is complete and it could not identify any problem, click Close to exit. If there are problems found, follow the on-screen instructions. Check if the Wi-Fi adapter is now available. Third solution, flush DNS cache. Some users recommend resolving the issue by flushing the DNS through command prompt. This method has been effective for some individuals and is worth attempting. Flushing the DNS cache removes any IP addresses or DNS records and can help resolve security and internet connectivity issues, as well as the Wi-Fi adapter disappearing problem. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the command ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Wait for process to complete, then type the command ipconfig register DNS and press Enter. Wait for process to complete. Then exit command prompt window. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if the Wi-Fi adapter is now available. Fourth solution, reset network settings. Performing a network reset from the Windows settings is another method worth trying, as it has been successful for many users. This process resets all network connections on the device. To do this, press Start or Windows button. Then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Windows Settings, click Network and Internet. Depending on the Windows version you are using, Network Reset can either be found on Advanced Network Settings or at the Settings window. So in here, click on Network Reset option. Next, click on Reset Now tab to confirm reset. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if the issue still occurs. Fifth solution, scan for hardware changes. Last option is to scan for hardware changes in the Device Manager, which checks for any hidden devices not currently displayed. Some users have reported success in finding their Wi-Fi adapter using this solution. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. At Device Manager window, click on Scan for hardware changes at the upper right. Following the completion of the scan, check the network adapter to verify if the issue of the Wi-Fi adapter disappearing still persists. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.